know what? It ain't that bad. Let me look at the angle on it. Man, what notch? I don't even notice the notch. I do see the notch. It's cool. Apple know what they doing. This is innovation. This is a part of the brand. I thought I wasn't gonna see it. I see it though. It's gonna grow on me, right? Just like the iPhone did. You know, we got used to the iPhone notch. We're gonna get used to this notch, right? I'm gonna be cool. I'm gonna be all right. Let's close this lid. Woo! What up, you guys? You already know it's M1 MacBook Pro, M1 Pro, M1 Max, MacBook Pro, all that good stuff day, baby. Gotta slide out to the Apple Store to pick up the polishing cloth, and then I gotta go to Best Buy to pick up 14-inch base model. That's what we're gonna unbox in this video. And then I have a 16-inch come-in base model as well as a maxed out 14-inch today. But, you know, a player trying to get one early to get out to you guys, because we need to know, can you just only spend 2 racks with Apple and get all of the sauce? Check the fit, you know what I mean? Monotone drip, Yeezys, Beezy. Let's go, baby. I'm out. All right, we're gonna take the iPad mini. We got the Pixel. This is the second phone. And the beauty about this, I don't gotta do a man purse with that, because it ain't like the Fold carrying around. Then I put the, you know, the big Max in the back pocket. Booyah. And then we taking the iPad mini, because we might have to wait. Best Buy taking their time getting my order ready, and I gotta go to Apple, so. Alright, I ain't gonna lie, I ended up getting my little side pouch for the phone carry because I didn't like the way it felt in my pocket. I've gotten so used to not having devices in my pocket that I didn't want to have this device in my pocket. So typically early morning when I first get up and I'm like about to ride and I want to listen to something, instead of music, typically I do motivation. So let me go into my little library. I got my motivation playlist. There's 1,700 videos in this motivation playlist. You know what I mean? Gotta keep your mind right. That's how you stay motivated. Y'all wonder how I keep my hustle fresh and how I keep it going and how I put out so much content and things like that. I keep my mindset right. Mindset is everything.
I want everybody slow. Get the millions and lay low. Take my what I'm gonna wait for.
Alright, players, we made it to the curbside pickup. I'm assuming I'm just supposed to be right here by this sign that says Apple Curbside. I'm gonna just post right here. I mean, turn my little hazards on, and we're gonna wait for our polishing cloth. Hey, how you doing?
Parking spots are actually right
Oh,
there.
they are? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I didn't even see it.
There's your
Thank you so much.
Thanks, have a good one.
You too. Oh, wait. Let's get in this shade. This right here is what I drove all the way and made a curbside pickup for Apple folk. Yo, they curbside is lit. I'm gonna start doing that. Cause you know, this mall done got sketchy. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I paid $20 for a cloth to keep my MacBook looking icy fresh. You know what I'm saying? It's the best of the MacBook Pros. I got a maxed out one. You know what I mean? I gotta keep it saucy. You feel me, player? Alright, so obviously I have no life. I'm sitting here in the Best Buy parking lot waiting for my my MacBook Pro to be available for curbside pickup. I haven't even gotten a notification, but I'm still gonna wait here. I'm gonna see how long I wait before I just dip out and just go home and come back when they actually email me. But my goodness, man, yeah.
On my way, I've been blind to it. Yeah. All these suckers, all these buses, all these leeches, now I'm not blind to it.
Alright, my order's not ready. I tried to go in there and get them to hook me up with the quickness. They wasn't trying to do it. He was talking about I gotta cancel the order and all that. That was trash. I saw the MacBook Pros in there. Took a quick little video, but whatever. I'll just go back to the crib. But hey man, basically what I'm doing, I'm just sharing the real day in the life of trying to get a MacBook Pro early so I could get the content out. It's not working out the way that I thought it would. Whatever. Anyway, let me take my back home and I'll just wait. Alright, so I came home, you know, FaceTime with the bros, Terry and C-Kid for a minute while waiting. Finally got that email. While talking trash about Best Buy and their service, I like literally got the email for the pickup, so I'm on my way back out to go pick it up.
Ran up out the bank like it's a robbery. Take care of my mommy, I know she proud of me.
Big heavy boy right there. Hold up, player. What is up, YouTube? Time to get into this MacBook Pro 14-inch base model. This is the cheapest new M1 Pro MacBook Pro on the market at $1,999. I had to do one for the players. My players on the budget, I got you too. I saw that they were available today on release day. I was like, let me go grab this. In addition to the 16-inch base model, which is here low-key in the cut right there, UPS just pulled up, as well as my maxed out MacBook Pro 14-inch M1 Max, all that good stuff. But nevertheless, I want to cover all the bases. So let's open up this bad boy. Let's get our first unboxing and setup of the 14-inch base model. I want you guys to experience this with me. Let's do it. Woo! Ooh, oh, okay, y'all see the fold out right there? Okay, okay. I know y'all saw that. Nice packaging as always. Here we are, back to the plastic unboxing. Get down, baby. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. I want you guys with me. All right, players, I want y'all to open this up with me, baby. Let's go. And you know, we don't get the nice sounds anymore, but let's rip this bad boy open. Woo. Let's open this. Boom. What does $1,999 get you with the new? Hey, this bad boy. Woo, they thick, player. They thick. Yeah, look at this. Look at this thickness, man. Now, I'm an OG MacBook Pro owner. Actually, I have the MacBook Pro 15-inch Retina. I'm gonna pull that out during my reviews for comparison. Woo! All right, baby. That new finish. Emboss right there, bam. We got ports again, man. When I was in Best Buy, I took a peek at it. MagSafe, player. MagSafe. I'm super hyped, man. I'm hyped. I know. Whew. Okay, hold on. Low key, I'm probably not gonna need this power cable. All right, are you guys ready for the first time? Let's open this bad boy up and let's see what we got. Are you ready? Y'all ready? Are you ready? You ready? Hold on, let me get my my iPhone so I can record. All right, let's get it. Woo! Oh man, come on, can we get the one hand open? We can't get the one hand open, this joint sliding. I think it's the desk. Woo! And the glorious sound, baby. All right, this is the 14-inch. Honestly, the 14-inch I think is like the perfect size. It's a nice manageable size, like for people out there who don't want to lug around a massive 16-inch MacBook Pro. Because the 16-inch MacBook Pro is massive, we must be honest. Oh, wait. Oh, the notch. Hold up, man. We gotta get you guys an angle of the notch. You gotta see the notch. Wait, is that the notch? Oh my notch. Oh my notch. Man, give me a second, player. Oh wait, nah, we ain't gonna call Tim Apple yet. So as you guys can see, baby, brand new MacBook Pro in the flesh. I want you guys to get a nice good angle of the setup right here. Hold up. Hey, baby, we gotta call Tim Apple, man. I don't care. Hey. Hello, Tim Apple. What up, player? Hey, listen here, man. I got the brand new MacBook Pro 14-inch base model in front of me. My first time. Let me give you props on the display. This display is absolutely phenomenal. It looks amazing on first look. Until I see the notch. Hold up, player. Y'all still put a notch? Now, hey man, I'm just trolling. Tim, get out your feelings. Hello? I already tell you put a notch on the laptop. Nevertheless, baby, MacBook Pro 14-inch in the flesh. Let's go ahead and set this bad boy up. Me setting this up is gonna be a separate video, but here's the reason why I picked up the cheapest MacBook Pro on the market for these new style Macs. It's because a lot of people don't have the budget to buy the crazy builds. It's also like everyone doesn't have the necessary need for the bigger build outs like the M1 Max, or maybe even a 10 core with the however many cores, GPUs and so forth. Like, this is the basic. This is what $1,999 can get you, $2,000. And how powerful is this? That's another thing. Can you get by spending just the $2,000, or maybe the $2,500 base model so you get the 1 terabyte and so forth. It's just all a balance of what are your total needs and your budget. But what can this bad boy do? I'm gonna be putting it through a series of tests because trust me, you guys, I know how to crush a M1. I crush it all the time, back to back. Honestly, the M1 has become cat for me, the original M1. Like it wasn't made for the pro user like myself. I use a lot of titles and animations and things like that. I would always get issues and problems with that M1 machine to the point where I had to use my iMac Pro again. I had to go back to my Intel-based, more GPU, you know, type of machine in order to be able to handle the things that my M1 MacBook Pro 13-inch couldn't do for me. So let's see what the base model can do. Let's see for my players out there on the budget if we can bring like some real world usage, and if I can help you guys make a better decision. So that's basically the whole premise of what this series is gonna be. There's gonna be a series for each device that I picked up. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you guys want me to test on this MacBook Pro base model? What do you guys want to see? How can I help you guys make a better MacBook Pro base model purchase decision?